On Amazing Kitchen today, we'll be making sweet cream peanut buns. They're similar to cinnamon buns where it's rolled together, but this time I don't put cinnamon in it, but it's peanut with some sweet cream. So it's very tasty, very simple to make, and your kids will love it if you have kids. If not, it's great for lunch and breakfast. So let's get into making this. Well, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you have a KitchenAid mixer just like mine, it makes your job a lot easier. But if you don't have, you can do it all manual. It will just take a little bit longer and a little bit more sweat and elbow grease. But it can be done. So this very simple recipe, you can make it ahead of time and store it in a Ziploc bag and store it in your fridge. And when you're ready, you just put it in the oven, give it 5 minutes of heat, and it's crispy and toasty and nice and soft. So what do you think of it? Let me know in the comments, and make sure if you like bread, you can check out our different bread recipes in our playlist. I'll leave the link above here so you can check it out. So I think that's about it, but let me know also what else you'd like to see on this channel. I mean, there's a lot of requests, I still have to get to it, but feel free, just still comment below and share this video with your friends and family so they can find out about this channel and the great recipes on it. Okay, well, I guess that's about it. We'll see you on the next episode. Bye now.